Hi traders, welcome to my channel. In this video I will try to analyze market for next week. But before we start, I would like to give you sort of information. Remember, trading with risk management, no one guaranteed profit, always put stop loss and manage your trade. This analysis using wave technique, and also it's free. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and like.
After all, let's get started. As usual, we start with dollar index. In my last analysis, I said DXY will continue bearish, and we will try to catch setup for bullish after that, but instead DXY moved not so volatile, so it didn't give us opportunity for bullish setup. DXY turned sideways after break the line. And here's the update. So, what's next for DXY? As we can see, next meeting the Fed will plan to increase interest rate, though will not more than 50 basis points. This probably the reason why market moves slowly, because wait for next week data. Furthermore, there are many upcoming important data beside the Fed meeting. So, you all guys need to check economics calendar to combine this strategy. And my bias for DXY technically, and will continue bearish little more and look for buy setup. For Euro, USD. Last week I said Euro will continue bullish after small correction, because I saw double top with potential to break upside, but also this pair just moved not so volatile, and here's the update chart. So, if you make profit from my analysis, please give this channel thumbs up and subscribe, so you will not miss any moment. If you done, let's see Euro USD next week analysis. For Euro USD next week, technically, we'll break small double top here, wait for break upside, and try to look for sell setup. Why bias for Euro next week is downside. Wait for breakout the trend line for confirmation, because it will potential has correction. For Pound USD. Last week I said Pound will continue bullish same like Euro USD after small correction and look for buy setup, but instead it was just gave us small movements. If you still hold buy, manage your trade, and move the stop loss to protect your profit. And here's the chart update. So, what's next for Pound USD? My analysis for Pound USD same like Euro. It will go bullish little more and find sell setup. Pound will bias to downside. Remember, always wait for price action to enter the market as confirmation. For Australia dollar, last video I said it will continue bullish, because I saw double top. It will potentially break upside, but again, Australian dollar just moved small movements and sideways. And here's the update chart. So, for those of you still hold the buy position, manage your trade and move the stop loss so you won't lose your profit. And for Australian dollar next week, my bias is it will continue bullish little more and I will find sell setup. For USD Swiss franc last video I said, it will break downside as I see lot of liquidity around here, and here's the update. For those of you who still hold Swiss franc, you can move your stop loss and manage your profit. For those of you who not have position yet, you can wait after the Fed meeting. It will give clearly movement. For Canadian dollar last video, my analysis was it will bearish, but enter only if it break the trend line. Instead Canadian dollar went up, and here's the chart update. Canadian dollar didn't go as we expected, it went up because oil went down. So what's next for Canadian dollar? It's look like Canadian will have some correction after the Fed meeting. Remember, always enter after you get confirmation. For USD Japanese yen, last week I said Japanese yen will probably get one more last drop and look for buy setup as correction, and it went as I forecasted, and here's the update. Amazing, isn't it? So, for those of you who made profit from yen, congratulations, take your profit, cause next week Japanese yen will get more volatile. I can see Japanese yen will have some correction and then find the buy setup. So in bias to upside. For US oil, this is also one of our trade. It went down as we expected. My analysis was bearish and then look for buy setup. Instead, we look for sell after a correction. Here's the update chart. For those of you who follow my analysis, congratulations. Remember, manage your trade, move your stop loss, and lets the market take you out. So what next for US oil? Seems like US oil going bullish for some correction only. For gold, last week my analysis was right. Gold went up as I predicted. Here's the update chart. So, what's next for gold? It's look like gold will break double top again and start to correct. I'm personally will go bearish if gold break diagonal pattern. So yes, gold bias to downside. Next we have Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, last video I said it will go down to break the support. Instead it went sideways more to upside. Here's the update. So, what's next for Bitcoin? My analysis for Bitcoin, still same like last week. It will go down first. Then I will find buy setup after that. Alright traders, we are just finished with market analysis for Forex and commodities. Always remember, don't jump in tomorrow and using my analysis blindly, cause this is just analysis to see directions for market next week. Use price action to enter the market. Combine with your strategy. Thank you for watching. I will see you next weekly analysis and market opportunities strategy to enter the market during this week. So stay tuned, hit the bell icon so you will be notified.